Well, I've been working on the shop some again today. I've been working on my accelerator bracket and pedal for putting in the Volkswagen. Anyway, that'll be my air control for the thing. The foot feet on the bottom will just go back and forth, you know, like your foot does, to open and close to let the air from my high pressure and pressure regulator. It'll come into here, go through the valve, through out here, and then back to the engine. So I've got this, I think, pretty well made. I just got through drilling some holes in the bottom for putting the thing. It's got to be mounted down underneath on the floor, kind of at an angle, so this will work. I've got to put my hoses on first, otherwise I won't be able to get to it, I don't think, to put the clamps on them. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the air hose. I bought one, but it's a 3/8 ID and a little over a half, I guess, on the OD. But I can't use the air hose as it is, so I'll have to cut it and then go out and actually put it in down to the thing where it goes and put the clamp and stuff on it, and then do the same thing for the back. So I'll just go ahead and cut this, I guess. I'll splice it back together later with whatever's left. So for now, I guess I'll run out there and actually measure it. So I'll finish this a little bit. After a while, I'll come back in again. That should be okay. It's a little bit hard to see, I think, but that's because it was really hard to get to do it. It took me a couple of hours just trying to get holes drilled and carpet and stuff out of the way. But it's going to work. So that's all the main thing. That's it for today. So thanks for checking in. I'm not going to do a long one today. I'm done. I feel like I've been crawling in and out of a foxhole for the last 2 or 3 hours.